constructor binary search tree from pre-order traversal. We have an array of pre-order traversal, and we need to output the binary search tree. So the binary search tree is kind of a balanced binary tree. So left node is smaller than the root and smaller than the right node. Okay, we're gonna use since it is encoding with the preorder traversal, we're gonna use the preorder traversal to decode it. The cross stack. So preorder is kind of top down. Whatever order is, it's the recursion, one of the recursion for tree. So there is the cross stack. We have the bound represent the largest number currently we have, and every time we new a node, to point to the current node, otherwise it will get garbage collected. Then we have a traversal to the left first, because it's preorder traversal, and we pass in the root value and change the boundary to the root value, since all the number is smaller than root value in left node. And otherwise we go back to the call stack, we traversal to the right, and we have to pass the boundary from these levels boundary call stack. So we have a root here, and we have a boundary. We're gonna initialize starting with the maximum integer, then traversal to the left, we change the boundary to the root value of this one. After all the elements we tried, and the value is greater than the root value, then we are considering traversal to the right node, and then we're gonna use the maximum comparison number from the current root boundary. So yeah, here's the code. Here comes the code. We need a global value to store the index of the array. Then we return from the overridden recursive function itself, return the tree node, and here is the help function itself. So the return condition is going to be the end of the array, or the current node value is greater than the boundary. So since we traversal left first, we're gonna starting to traversal right after that. So every time we assign the root value to a new tree node, so that point to the, so we have something can point to the current left or right. and increment index. So here is the left traversal and the right traversal, and return the root. And it is left.